So our lucky day, the contractor showed up. Woo-hoo.
Here's that piece of pipe, by
The
the way.
boys are helping. Oh, this is the culprit.
It's rusted.
I recommend using that for
Bad pipe.
for all that insurance.
Insurance purposes.
Bad.
Just that little hole right there.
Bad pipe. Bad.
That did all that damage.
Right there in that corner. In the frozen tundra of our garage. Hopefully nothing else got badly damaged. And we got 2 helpers here.
Doing whatever we can to help. Wow.
As long as you're staying out of the way and not being interrupting Cal. Moo.
That would be him.
Yeah, oh. And this is the result. Not 1, but 5 breaks. Ugh. Terrible stuff.
No, it was ketchup.
We are back at the airport again, this time. Travel mayhem. 70% of Southwest flights have been canceled because of weather and other factors. And look at the lines here in KCI, people trying to be rebooked. It's craziness. That's why I never like to travel this time of year. Influencer. Red sky at morning, sailor take warning.
What?
It is pretty though. Back at KCI yet again.
Oh, sorry.
So somebody joked with my reporter that we must have an apartment set up here, so here's our apartment at KCI. Yep. Spending lots of time here. The crisis still continues. Even though the lines are gone right at this moment. Look at all the cancellations. Crazy. Terrible. We've just installed the Mailmaster. Mailmaster. What do you think, Stella? What do you think of the Mailmaster? You'd rather sniff goose poop with Jimmy? Mailmaster. Hmm? Go to the other side. You peekaboo. Zach assisted. There we go. The Mailmaster. Even has a slot for the junk mail. Woohoo!
Yeah, for the junk mail.
Mailmaster. I would hate to meet the mail slave, because we have the master. Hey, how you doing? It's New Year's Eve, and I'm getting coffee for tomorrow with the dongies, and I'm wearing an appropriate shirt. Coffee. And we're getting tea too. Dogs. All right, it is our turn to host a holiday party. New Year's tomorrow, actually. And the missus is freaking out and going out of her bug, and and I haven't done one holiday thing this time. Nothing. I haven't supported my local businesses because we've been sick the first half of it, and and then just busy with other obligations the rest of it. So we haven't done really hardly anything for ourselves. And I know that's how the missus feels too. So there's a couple of things on my bucket list while stores are still open that I want to do, and so I just kind of ducked out, and now I'm in the doghouse with the dongies, with the missus, because she thinks I should stay around and help her go crazy, which I'm not gonna do. No thank you. And but there's one errand I have to run, and then there's one thing I wanted to do. I wanted to take Stella to Cafe, because we found this little dragon outfit, which is perfectly with their decor. If they're going to even be open, they say they'll be open till 3 if I even make it. And then maybe spend an hour or so at Retail Rebel, because because I like exploring there, but also kind of need to find some gifts for our guests tomorrow. And the miss is like, I just spent money on taxes and this and that and the other thing. We don't want you to spend any money, blah, 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 blah. I'm like, yeah, well, that's this time of year. Everybody's got their hand out. Gimme, gimme, gimme. So, yeah, we're making our obligations like good, responsible citizens. Ha ha ha. And now I gotta go find these auto books. If the store is even open, hopefully I'll get them before tomorrow, which is New Year's. I don't know how many, but I'll get some. Woo-hoo. We got, if she'll sit still long enough, our dragon dog for our dragon coffee house. Coffee. And the coffee shop on this New Year's Eve. Stella the dragon dog and Jimmy the lazy dog. Retail. Lastly, somebody gave me a list anyway. Ugh. Alright, it's almost midnight.
It's almost midnight.
Just look at
Keep
the
an eye on the thing.
atomic clock.
Then
Oh, gross. We get our own fireworks in here.
Did you get it? Sorry. Oh, there you go.
Almost midnight. Ow. It's
Here.
midnight.
Yes, we're serving the
It's
kids
midnight.
alcohol.
It's midnight. It's not midnight. No, that says it's non-alcoholic on it.
Yes, thank you, Captain Obvious.
Yeah.
Why is this so freaking hard?
It's
Open the other one.
already midnight.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
You can't open. Here, Zach. This
Look
is
at
better,
the
Zach.
atomic, Luke.
This is better, Zach.
And Scala is scared.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Beer
Oh, it's
2024.
midnight.
There we go. It's midnight. Woohoo! Yay!
Wait,
I can't open it.
what?
I can't open it.
I'll hold it out.
Answer, hold the bottom.
As you can tell by the fireworks outside, nobody go outside. Spending New Year's trying to open a bottle.
This one, Zach. This is probably better. No, where are you going? What is going on with this?
Oh.
Get a rubber.
If we only had one of those.
Oh,
Ew.
I know, Zach. Zach, this one. This has to go. Wait, get a knife. God, how is this so hard to open?
All right.
Why, you little...
Happy New Beer, critters. There's Dustbusters. You're still with us this New Year, Dusty. Dusty! And there's Jimmy the who could care less. He's like, leave me alone, I'm tired. It's hard work being a dog. And all the other critters are hiding. Why does all the noise always come from down the hill here? And there's fireworks outside. But we're playing it safe. We're inside because we don't want to be shot.
I want to be outside.
No.
Darn it.
There's too many fools out there and their guns. Ooh.
Last New Year we went outside and
Mhm.
nothing happened.
Yep. Things changed, Luke.
Especially
Did we finally get that open? Oh boy, we got it open.
Happy New Year.
to you.
I'm probably a bad bartender.
Yeah.
New beer.
Dibs on that one.
Oh, and we have our round fruits and our deviled eggs and bell pepper. That was our
Alright.
dinner.
Let's go to good health. To good attitude.
There's nothing but my Buddha in the picture.
To good health. To good attitude. To a very
Good grades.
productive.
I was gonna say that.
Productive life and creative life and happiness. Cheers. Ching ching. Ching ching. Ching ching. What are you?
What about that thing?
Alright. You do, Zach, what are you toasting for?
Uncle Steve stole one of mine. Good grades.
Mm-hmm.
Passing our grades.
Mm-hmm.
Fun.
Mm-hmm.
Good year.
Mm-hmm. Good attitude, Zach. Repeat it.
Loving your friends, family.
Mm-hmm. So friends first before family?
Well, family and friends. I was just saying.
Okay. Alright. Cha-ching.
And just having fun with your family.
Let's just cha-ching at the end.
I don't know. Solution.
Oh, me. Family.
Oh, what about
That's it.
Family. Saya.
I'm last. Okay. 2 good grades, which I think I'm already building up, and to get the new hoverboard. And to the family, very happy
How about you, Lou?
family. And to clean my room. Definitely
you?
that.
Give me your
Cheers.
cheers.
All right. Happy New Beer.
Lucian hasn't made his.
You said cheers.
No? What do you want to wish for? What do you wish for 2023?
I wish to have a happy family.
There you go.
And no Hyperloop.
No Hyperloop, yeah.
No
Good.
Letitia coming out of her cage.
Very good.
And I want to not break anything.
Uh-huh. Very
like
good.
wine.
And I want to have no bad reports from school and a happy loved
Wine.
family.
Oh.
No, it's not wine.
And
I never heard about
looks like wine.
science and hoverboard.
All right, yay.
Yay.
I said family. And I'll also take
Wait, we
it.
have to.
I'll also,
All right.
Cheers to everything you
Cheers,
said.
cheers, cheers,
I'll
cheers,
also
cheers.
take anything from you.
Cheers.
Except, but I
Okay.
won't take hating God from you.
Okay.
I'm not
All right.
taking that from you. Ooh.
Happy New Year. Back here. We have made it to the Jefferson Highway dog park. So the doggies can have at least a little bit of fresh air and exercise. Should have got all the stuff I was going to get yesterday at Retail Rebel because the $5 mob came in, and well, unfortunately when you lower the prices of things to the part where most people find it affordable, you attract not the best people. And I don't mean to say that to sound elitist, it's just kind of a proven thing. That's what inflates the prices of a lot of things. Because, you know, people are just trying to keep the wastage from happening. I mean, I went in there and it was just all like everything was torn up and scattered, and the people are just hoarding stuff, and it's crazy. So I walked away without buying anything. And the things I had my eye on yesterday, I should have got yesterday, because they were gone and scattered and destroyed. I mean, literally, people go in there and destroy stuff. It's crazy.